Hello, this is the second video in the place of LaTeX Basics, and we're gonna be making a text document with no pictures or anything like that, just the basics. So any name.text, you can use overleaf or anywhere, it's all gonna be pretty much the same. So the basic structure is always having a document class. I'm gonna be using article, but you can change that later. Then you want a document environment, so begin document and just end it after that. It's pretty straightforward, and anything that is in between these is gonna be actually part of the document body. So right there we have hello. It's all we have at the moment. Let's make a title page. So first off, the title of the document, so just that. The author, it's gonna be me, and the date, it's gonna be today, assigned to automatically today. And all you have to add is a make title command, so that's already rendering automatically made document title. However, if you wanted to have this in separate pages, after asking for the title, draw a clear page. This will move everything that is after that point to the next available page. If not, create another one. Then let's make some structure for the text, like a section is gonna be like a title. So first section, and we're gonna have hello world in there. And let's say you wanted to make another separate line, like jump from the line. So if we made it like this, this is the same line, obviously. If you want to actually jump lines, there has to be a white space in between of them. So as you can see, that's already jumping. Some people also use this, like this, asking for a new paragraph. As you can see right there, it's as you can see, it's different jump in the line from a new paragraph line. So have that in mind. There are also comments that are very useful for leaving like some useful text in the file, but not in the document. So all you have to do is put a percentage symbol in the front, and then everything will be fine. Trust me. We could copy and paste this after the place, so the structure would just like repeat to, well, yeah, most. But let's say we wanted another section in here, second one. So it's just gonna be that. However, let's say instead of just jumping here, we want a subsection. That's just gonna be called a paragraph. And then we have a section which has a subsection, and later another section. Alright, that's pretty decent already. Like if you repeat this and everything, you can have quite a bit of very well formatted text. But let's say you wanted to show the reader at the beginning every available section and subsection and in which page it is. So after the title page, let's add a table of contents. We render that. Then the table of contents is right here. It says which sections there are and in which page there are. However, same thing applies. You may want to have it in a separate page, so add a clear page, and that's already more decent. But all the numbering is kind of weird. Like the title page is the one, the contents is the second one, and the body doesn't begin until the third one. You can see the numbers in there. So one way I like to use to fix this, because there are many ways, I like to use the page numbering at the beginning as Roman, and then right after making the table of contents, switch the page numbering to Arabic. In that case, we're gonna have Roman number 1, Roman number 2, and with the body beginning we have the actual Arabic one. So I like this solution. It looks very elegant, at least for me. You could do it as you like. And now you might think this is not too much, but this is already like pretty much everything you need for any LaTeX document structure, which is very important. If you know the structure, then you can replicate it always. So for example, here I just copied and pasted this, but LaTeX will manage the numbering and all of that in a very elegant way, and the table of contents will auto-update. All the numbering will always be correct as we set it, of course. And then let's just change the article for a book and see what happens. So as you can see, the format changed. It's obviously different, as it wasn't like this before. So why does that happen? Well, this is formatted for a book, so there are some clear pages. This is allowing for way more sections, and also this is beginning at 0 instead of 1, because books use chapters. So let's actually have a chapter that's going to be the beginning, and also have another chapter, I don't know, like here, why not? That's going to be the end. So we have the chapter 1 beginning, which has all these sections, and then the chapter 2 end with these other sections. And now the table of contents is automatically updated to fit all of this, the beginning and the end. So yeah, that's pretty much everything there is to the basic structuring and leaving automatically the content and all of that. My next videos will cover more useful subjects, let's say, but if you manage to understand very well everything that was done in here, the rest is gonna be just adding on top. So yeah, good luck, and you can already make a book with this or a pure text article.